Hi students, let's discuss about operators in Python. Operators are the tokens that trigger some computation or action when applied to variables and other objects in an expression. Then we shall see about operands. Variables and objects on which operations are applied by operators are called operands. Types of operators in Python. There are different types of operators which we are used in Python. First is unary operators, then relational operators, binary operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, shift operators, membership operators, and identity operators. Let's see about unary operators. Unary operators are those operators that require only one operand to operate. Unary operators precedes on operand and it must be of arithmetic type. The result of the value of the argument is a equal to 5 plus a means 5, then plus a means minus 5. Binary operators, these operators that requires two operands to operate upon. And there are some binary operators in Python are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, into for multiplication, then hash for division, percentage for modulus, then exponent and floor division. Then relational operators. Relational operators determine the relation among different operands. Python provides six relational operators for comparing values. This is also called comparison operators. If the comparison is true, the relational expression result in Boolean value true, and if the result is false, the operators works as follows: less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. These are some of the relational operators. Then identity operators in Python are is and not is not. The identity operators are used to check if the operands reference the same memory object. It compares the memory location of two objects and return true or false accordingly. Then bitwise operators. Bitwise operators works on individual bits rather than entire entity. Here bitwise and bitwise exclusive or bitwise or are used for bitwise operators. Thank you.